Hey my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make a nice herbal tea and stay yourself healthy. This is a herbal tea blend which I have made it myself, and I will be telling you the details about each flower, how it is going to help you in your health. See, I have taken all the dried flowers and I bought it from Amazon.com.in. But some rose petals, these are wild rose petals. This I bought it from the local market, and then after that I dried it. This is lavender buds. These lavender buds are really going to help you in boost your sleep. These are butterfly pea flowers. It removes the anxiety. It is a very good stress buster, and it gives boost to your stamina. Then we have chamomile. Chamomile flowers, we all know, is very good to calm your brain and give you a very nice sleep. Then we have cassia tora. Cassia tora is a botanical name for this flower, and it is a very good flower to give you a good skin. We will be talking about it later also. And I have taken cassia tora flowers, not seeds. Seeds are used for medicinal purpose, and it has got some side effects too, so I'm not taking that. I've taken this kettle. There's a beautiful kettle one of my colleagues had presented me long back, and then I have this strainer. I will be putting all the flowers inside the strainer and then close the lid and put it in the hot water. This is the blend I have made. For making this blend, you have to take everything equal amount except for cassia tora and lavender buds. Take that in lesser quantity. Suppose if you're taking half of cup of each flower, then you can add 1/4 of these two. I have also added hibiscus flower, dried hibiscus flower in this blend, very few petals, and also some grated and dried ginger, which I did it at home. I did by grating the ginger and just leaving it under fan, and it got dried. These are the blue butterfly pea flowers which I am adding in the strainer. I'll just cover the lid. Now you close the strainer, and after that you have to put it in the container or in your kettle, whatever you are taking, and then you have to pour hot water in that so that it releases all the antioxidants. I want to also advise everyone that please don't take any kind of metal vessels, kettle or glass or any of your vessels to infuse your tea, because once you pour hot water in any of your metals and you're trying to make a tea in that, all the toxins are released from the metal also, so that tea will not be so effective as it has to be. So I'm taking this glass cup so that I can show you how the color is released and the antioxidants are also released, which we cannot see, of course. After drinking only you will come to know, but basically the color will be seen and it will look very beautiful because I enjoy looking at that. So I thought maybe I'll share it with you also. So I'm pouring the hot water, which I had already done before, and we will leave it for around 30 seconds to release, and then you can start drinking your tea. This tea is very, very good for calming down. It is going to calm down your brain and also give you little stamina to work. So we all know that chamomile tea is very good for sleep disorders, and of course one more thing I think very few people know, that it also controls the blood sugar level. That is why you feel sleepy once your blood sugar level is controlled. Now till the time the tea is steeping, I had poured it back to the kettle. By the time it is getting steeped, I will just explain you what all things, what are the benefits of different teas. If you want, you can do the screenshot of the details. Now butterfly pea tea is fully loaded with antioxidants, and it improves your skin texture and also boosts your brain. It is basically used as Ayurvedic medicine and it helps in lowering your blood pressure. And then is Cassia Tora. Cassia Tora is a botanical name which really helps in giving you a beautiful skin. It helps in removing all the intensive heat you have from your liver and the beautiful thing about it is it improves your vision and it moisturizes all your internal organs. Now my tea is ready. I'll just pour it in the cup and show you. See, it has a beautiful blue color. But now let me tell you, this is a magical tea. I'm going to change the color of the tea. I'll just add few slices of lemon and ta-da! It's turned into purple. So nothing to worry. The benefits are the same. The only thing is that if you add some citrus food to it, like a fruit or lemon or anything like that, then it is going to change into purple color. The blue color will convert into purple color, and it tastes really very good. So enjoy this herbal tea and take all the benefits of this tea, which is really going to help you in your health and give you a lot of energy. You can always use it separately also, like you can make tea with only Cassia Tora and your green tea or any of these flowers. You can use it. Butterfly pea flower also you can use it separately. So it is all up to you how you do it. This is my next video coming, painting with natural colors. So stay tuned. Till then, enjoy yourself. If you like my videos, please do subscribe for my channel and stay at home and take care of yourself. Bye bye.